The track drive sprockets should always be at the rear when climbing gradients, with the front end equipment placed forwards to act as a counterbalance. The steeper the gradient, the further forward the front end equipment should be. Turning whilst travelling up steep gradients must never be attempted. Neither should the front end equipment be raised during uphill travel, as operation of the equipment could starve one or other track drive motors of power, causing a dangerous and unintended turn. Lowering the front end equipment slightly may be necessary to help maintain stability at the top of an incline. Great care should be taken at the point of balance on the peak of steep inclines. It's good practice to keep the engine speed up to avoid stalling and to control travel speed by use of the travel pedals or levers rather than the throttle. You should continue controlling the machine in this way until the machine is back on level ground. Placing the front end equipment on the downside of a gradient will give the machine more stability. The track sprockets must be at the front when descending gradients. The front end equipment facing forward and close into the machine with the bucket just clear of the ground. The point of balance, if severe, should be cut down before attempting the descent. When descending a gradient, the engine and machine speeds depend upon the make of machine. Some machines require full engine revolutions in order to feed the track motors and release the brakes, while others should have low engine revolutions. Some machines require full and positive operation of the travel controls, and on others the controls should be cracked open and never fully engaged. Always be sure that you understand the particular characteristics of the machine you're using, and always follow the instructions given in the operator's guide. If you have to reverse your machine, always check thoroughly, as someone or something could be directly behind you. The use of blind spot mirrors and CCTV may help, but it's always best practice to use a banksman to guide you. Your company policy or site rules may insist on a banksman being used when reversing. Banksmen must be competent to undertake this important role, and you should always ensure that you've agreed on what signals will be used.